In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch Salesforce flows from a button. This easy process will streamline your workflow and help you become more efficient in no time. So, let's get started right away. First, what you need to do is log into your Salesforce account. This is a standard step for accessing any of the features in Salesforce, so make sure you have your credentials handy. Next, navigate to the Setup menu. You'll find this by clicking on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your Salesforce screen. Think of Setup as your control center, where you can configure and customize Salesforce to meet your specific needs. Once you're in Setup, go to Quick Find. Here, you'll type Object Manager and enter that section. Object Manager is where you'll manage different objects, which are essentially collections of data that are organized and presented in Salesforce. Now select the specific object you want to work with. You can compare this to selecting a particular file or project within a larger folder on your computer. Once you select your object, navigate to the Buttons, Links, and Actions section. This is where you'll create your new button to launch the flow. Now that you are in the Buttons, Links, and Actions section, it's time to click on New Button or Link. Once you do this, you'll need to choose the type Detail Page button. This selection will determine where and how your button displays on your Salesforce interface. By choosing a Detail Page button, you're opting for the button to appear on a detailed object view page, which is a common use case for launching flows. After selecting the button type, we move on to setting its behavior. Set the behavior to Display an existing window without sidebar or header. This option ensures that when the button is clicked, your flow will open cleanly in the current view without additional distractions. Next, set the content source to URL. Here, you'll need to enter the flow URL. This is the key part where you link the button to the specific flow you want to launch. Think of it as creating a direct path for the button to follow when clicked. Once you've configured the button, go ahead and hit Save. You're not done yet though. You still need to add the button to the page layout. Navigate to the page layout editor for your selected object and add your new button to the layout. It's like adding a shortcut to your desktop for quick access. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a button in Salesforce to launch a flow. This simple addition can save you time and reduce the clicks needed to complete actions in Salesforce. Enjoy your newfound productivity and continue exploring the various possibilities Salesforce has to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.